Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So when offering shipping on Marketplace, setting the correct shipping price ensures you cover costs while staying competitive. Facebook allows you to choose how shipping is calculated during listing setup. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to set shipping price on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what setting shipping price means. So setting shipping price allows you to decide who covers shipping, adjust based on package size, stay competitive in search, and avoid unexpected losses. So most sellers lets the buyer pay shipping. Okay, so first thing, open the Facebook app, tap the Marketplace icon. On desktop, click the Marketplace from the left sidebar. So now tap selling or sell, create listings or listing, go to your, you can go to your, for example, you can go to your listing that's already exists. Shipping must be enabled first. Okay, so here now I want you to tap the three dots. Okay, three dots here. Edit listing. In delivery method, select shipping. Okay, it should be here because my listing is not active yet, it's just in review. Okay, so I don't have many options here. So choose shipping and local pickup or shipping only. So shipping options will appear below. Okay, enter package weight, confirm size category, accurate weight ensures correct rate, and Marketplace calculates shipping automatically in many cases. Okay, so heavier packages cost more to ship. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.